I wanna know. Selassie, me no wanna get a pressure me as me wake. Like how my real love get a shake.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Sorry for the wait, but I'm here. So basically, I'm just showing you what I do to my hair every single day. This is after I wash it. So wash day, and then every day after that, I literally just go over it with water. Spray it, spray it, spray it. This just literally brings back the moisture so that I can put whatever I'm putting there so that it glides through. I then go in with my Cantu Shine and Hold Mist. This is just basically for the smell. I love the smell of it, and it helps with not letting my hair get flaky with like the snot gel, because the snot gel, it literally flakes so bad. And I found that if I put this on top or I put this underneath before I put anything on there, it doesn't flake. So just put that all through my hair. Then I'm gonna take any leave-in conditioner like that you use, any leave-in conditioner that you love, you use every day. I just put that in my hair to rehydrate it again. Literally, I do this every day, every morning, I should say, before I go to work. I do go in the shower with my hair just out, just so that it wets a little bit so it gets into the scalp. So it's easier to like just glide through and get into the inside of my hair. And I don't comb my hair as well. After I wash it, a lot of hair comes out when I use big like wide tooth combs. As you can see, literally finger combing it, tiniest bit of hair. But when I wash it, it's like 10 times that. So now I'm just gonna part it to slick it down. This is basically my slick back. If I had a ponytail or like a ponytail extension, this is what I'll do as well. I wear this hairstyle out. I wear it to work. I wear it every day, literally. When I can't be able to do my hair, this is what I do. I'm just stretching it so I can put it in a hairband. But I've been doing this hairstyle for like 2-3 years. I didn't even know that my hair grew the length that it grew to from doing this. But basically it helps not pull on my edges or just like my hair. So I'm going to use the snot. I literally didn't even buy this. My little sister bought it and she stopped using it because it flaked so much. But then I found a way how to use it. And now I've fallen in love with it because my hair literally doesn't slick with Eco. It doesn't slick with anything. But this just literally makes my hair stay down all day. So for the girls that literally do their hair in the morning and by the end of the day your hair is a mess, got to start using the snot. So good. But you have to use that Cantu spray to not let it flake. Once it touches your skin, that's when it gets flaky. But other than that, it's good to go. And then you just take your good old fashioned, what is this brush even called? I don't even know what this brush is called. Your slick brush. This brush is me and my little sister's holy grail. If we lose this brush, I swear to God, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But I love this brush. Like, this literally is what slicks your hair to the gods. Yes. And because I've been doing this hairstyle for so long, can you see the waves like forming under my hair? Like, literally, that is I didn't even realize this. I've been growing my hair. Like, didn't have any intentions. Actually, I'm lying. I did. I just stopped, but I just found a way to be lazy, and this is what I just ended up doing: slicking my hair back, wetting it, putting products in my hair, and slicking it. And that's what I've been doing. And when you slick it back, basically, and I wrap it in a bun, it's basically holding all the moisture in it all day. Because when you leave your hair out, it basically dries out. But if you leave it, if it's wrapped up like this for the whole day, the moisture stays locked in. And that's when you see I just put like a lot of the products on the ends, because the ends of your hair are always the dry bits. And then literally I just do this, give myself a little bun. I'll do the same routine if I was putting on a hairpiece. And here we go with my shine holder mist. This just smells so good. Like, literally, if you're sitting next to somebody, someone's gonna be like, what is that smell? Your hair smells so good. Then I'm gonna use the baby hair comb or brush just to give myself some baby hairs. Them little soupy soups. Some days they look good, some days they look trash, some days they look good, some days they look trash. Like, baby hairs are going to be different every single time. So, take as long as you want when you're doing this. But basically, this hairstyle is how I grew my hair. Because I did trim it. I probably trimmed it in 2014. It's basically taken me about 4 years to get my hair this long. I didn't even know my hair was this long until I straightened it, because I didn't use no heat, no blow drying, like nothing. This is what I was doing for ages, and I still do it. Because I kind of still do want to grow my hair longer. I don't know why, but I've just want to. And it's not even like I do anything too much with my hair. I do wear wigs as well. I wear wigs. I make my own wigs as well, because that shit is expensive. But yeah, and there you go. That is what I do every morning. Ooh. Thank you for watching. See you later.